Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping and verifying legality. You must know whether your intended activity is permitted where you are. Once done, document your objective, research, reporting, or academic review so you can justify actions. Make sure to isolate the work on a dedicated, updated device with fresh backups and minimal personal data. This reduces collateral exposure. You will proceed only if the activity is lawful and accountable. Otherwise, choose legal alternatives immediately. Next, focus on managing risk. Identify adversaries and sensitive assets so every decision maps to minimizing harm. Once assessed, seek institutional approval or formal training. This protects you and establishes oversight. Make sure to avoid creating persistent accounts tied to personal ID and limit data collection to what's essential. Keep detailed, secure logs of actions for accountability and auditing. These steps explain how to reduce legal and personal exposure while conducting legitimate research or reporting. To finish, securely remove any temporary artifacts and revert the device to its baseline state. This prevents accidental leakage later. If something goes wrong, unexpected contact, legal questions, or suspicious files, immediately pause and contact legal counsel or your institution's security team for guidance. Make sure to report illegal content to the proper authorities rather than attempting private remediation. This final step protects you legally and ethically while completing your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.